Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I went to Dollar Tree to grab this. I've been seeing this on TikTok on Instagram for days and days, and I wasn't quite sure if we had in Canada if they were carrying it or not. The Dollar Tree locations. We have a couple of locations here in Edmonton. So while I was out doing some errands today, I swing by and I've been looking. I thought this was so tiny, but it's huge. It's huge. I can't believe how big it is. I thought it was like a tiny, like a, you put your like a cup. That's what I thought. Like something small. This is where I store my pens and my crochet hooks. So first, a couple of months ago, I saw this, and people were ordering it. It was custom made, and I think he was charging $28, $30 plus shipping. But as soon as I saw this, I said I need to get one to put my crochet hooks, my pens, and my stuff. It's huge. I just can't believe how big it is. I was just shocked because I was looking everywhere. And I was looking for a little, tiny, small little thing. But it's huge. Look at it. It's about 18 inches. Well, this is the height. The package, I just couldn't believe how big it is. I'm going to measure it. Here are the measurements. I just had to share it with you guys. And I'm hoping my crochet hooks will go in. It says it's from USA. Oh, wow. Made in China. Okay, yeah, so I was kind of hesitant. It says it has 49 holes. Keep brushes and art tools organized. Oh, definitely it will. So I'm going to dig into it. I had to share it with you because I paid $1.25 for this. Oh, I wish I had the receipt. I think that's what I paid. Oh my goodness, I just couldn't believe. Look how big it is. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at the die. Oh, it's like this guy, he was using his, I don't know, well, his machine to do it, his 3D, and he was charging. I thought that was too expensive, right? Okay, so we put our stuff in here, and look how easy it is to install it. And then, okay, the one, here's the small one, I can see that. So, I put the small ones right in there. So easy to display. I only go out when I make a sale and when I buy stuff, right? So I was kind of, I was waiting to make a sale on my Etsy shop. And yoo-wee, I did. Okay, so this is the bottom. I wonder if it's sturdy. Well, it's $1. Less than $2 with the, GST and stuff. 5% GST. Huh. I put this wrong. Oh, well, that's where it goes. Yeah, it's not that sturdy. Well, okay. I think this is supposed to go in here, but it's weird. So this goes like that. That goes like that. Okay. Yeah, it's not, let me just put this in here. Maybe I need to put this first. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do. I need to put this in here first. Okay, yeah, that's what happens. It goes in there. $1, come on. Here we go, to push it. Okay, now let's try this. Goes in here. Huh. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, it is, oh, it's huge. Look at this. I can't believe it. It's about 15 centimeters, 6 inches. Wow. Look at this. And the height is about just over 5. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's too short. Yeah, these are short. See how big the holes are? Let's see if this, yeah, this won't fit in. That's too big too. I bought new pens today. Dollar Tree. It's too tall. Huh, I don't have any pens. See? You can even put your knitting needles. I don't have any knitting needles. But you can definitely put your knitting needles. Let's see if I can. Look at it. I have this tool, which I never use. You can put that there. Let me see if I can put this. This is from my Addy, my knitting machine. Well, that goes in there, but it's too tall. Yeah, so this won't be working for that. Scissors, let's try scissors. Oh wow, look at it. I just love it. I'm so happy. $1 something, less than $2. You won't lose anything. Oh, this is just great. I am so happy. But I thought it was so tiny. That's what I don't know. That's what I thought, I guess. Oh, wow. Look at it. Oh, that bus is so loud. I'm going to put all my pens here. But it's too tall. Yeah, for brushes maybe. Well, I just wanted to share this because I've been, you know, wanted to go out and hunt for these, and I did today. So I'm thrilled, and I'm so happy. I just wanted to share you this tool. Don't go and order and pay so much money. Plus, you have to pay shipping, right? I think the guy was in America, so and plus we have to pay custom fees. $20 and over anything we pay, it starts with $20, so it comes to me $40. I always end up paying custom fee. So I'm just happy to find this at my local Dollar Tree here in Edmonton, Alberta. Which Dollar Tree? At the north side. Castle Downs, if you're wondering. Okay, put my pins. Oh my goodness. Just love it, love it, love it. Yeah. This is nice. All my tools. I have this, I'll just go like, oh my goodness. Does the work. Well, I hope you like this review. Dollar Tree again. It's in the craft section. I purchased this. Again, it's $1.25. So less than $2 I paid. And I'm just happy how sturdy it is. I'm just shocked. Just can't believe it. Just do the bottom first. Yeah, it makes it stronger. You guys take care, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. I know I am a knit and crochet channel, but I do baking. I do cleaning recipes as well. I share it with you. I just posted an omelet kaygana back from Turkey that I learned when I was a teenager. And yeah, I do share those too, baking and stuff. Just whatever pops into my head, I share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.